Is evil native in human natural or is just a justification? From the beginning of time, humanity has asked one of these difficult questions. Is evil something we are born with or it is something we choose and justify? The question has shaped physiology, religion, law, and all aspects you understanding of what it means to be human. Some thinkers argue that evil is a natural impulse. They believe that inside every person there is a shadow, a part of us driven by instincts, survival, desire, and fear. According to this view, humans carry an inner conflict, a pull toward self-preservation that may harm others. Philosophers like Hobbes described humans as beings who, without order or rules, can easily fall into chaos, violence, and selfishness. It is the idea evil is not accidental, it is a natural part of being human. But others are the opposite that evil is not an instinct, but a justification, a way for people to excuse their harmful actions by blaming human nature. This perspective cites that evil is a choice shaped by society, desire, power, and ego. When a person harms someone that they might say, well, that's just the way humans are. But it is that really true, or it is this a way to avoid responsibility? Throughout history, societies had created laws, rules, and moral codes to help us understand what is right, what is wrong. Thinkers like Machiavelli and modern philosophers such as Feynman such that power as authority often shaped what we call evil. Sometimes these states punish evil with more violence, raising the question, can evil be found with evil? Or does that simple continue the cycle? Every human being carries a battle inside. Desires, fears, and impulse push us in one direction, while conscience, empathy, and moral reflection pull us in the other. Is evil born in us? Or it is born when we decide that our pleasure is more important than someone else's pain? This internal struggle is at the heart of the debate. From a Christian point of view, evil, often called sin, comes from placing our desires above the well being of others. The core teaching, love your neighbor as yourself, suggests that if we truly loved others as we loved ourselves, evil would not flourish. In this view, evil is not an instinct, but a failure to show love or selfishness. Some traditions speak of original sin, but if we look closely, a neighbor shield does not now great manipulation or power. These behaviors are learned. We become who we are through experience, sociology, cultural, and choice. This shows the idea that evil is natural. Perhaps we are not born evil, but capable of it. Imagine someone who desires gold, wealth, or power. Is that take that it's from someone else? Their pleasure becomes another person's suffering. It is not insist. It is a choice speed by ambition and ego. What we desire is not the problem. What we are willing to destroy to get it. So, is evil a native or is it a justification? Maybe evil is neither in deciding nor an excuse, but a possibility that resides inside every human heart. What trouble desires us? Is this choice we make the win or shouldn't miss the lot? If we choose empathy over selfness, use over convenience, and compassion over domination, then the question becomes not whether evil is innate, but whether we are there enough to overcome it. Thanks for your attention, but I hope you're asked. I want to know what is your opinion about this topic.